In this video, let me show you how to change the language of your Spotify app. If you're also trying to change this language from the current language that you have, then in this video, let me show you how it's done. Now, if you're trying to change it from the app of Spotify, previously you had an option within the app to change the language, but however, now that has been removed. So in order to change the language of your Spotify app, you need to change the language of your phone. That is the only way that you can change the language of your Spotify. But however, if you're using Spotify on your desktop on the website, you can easily use Google Translate to change the language. But in the case of the Spotify app on your phone, you need to change the language of your device. So just head over to the settings of your phone and navigate to the language setting. Every phone has different interface, so you'll need to navigate to the language setting, or you can also search it on the search bar if you don't know where it is. Once you land up on the language list, you just need to select the language that you want to change to and tap on OK. This way the language of your phone will be changed first. Once the language of your phone has been changed, you can now clear the Spotify app from the recent tab and then again open up the Spotify app. And as you can see, the language of my Spotify app has been successfully changed from English to Spanish. It will also be changed and the language will be selected depending upon which language that you choose. So that is the way that you can change language on Spotify. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily videos just like this.